Welcome to the Manga Forge. This video will be a continuation of writing a script for your manga. First, we'll pick a theme and come up with a thematic question. An example is if you picked the theme identity, a thematic question for that would be, how do our experiences shape who we are? Now we can choose a genre and audience for our manga. Alright, now that the basics are done, we can start working on our protagonist. To create an interesting protagonist, let's ask them 3 questions. What do they want? What's standing in their way? And why should the reader care about them? This leads us to giving our protagonist some problems. There are 2 types of problems you can have in your story, a main problem and smaller problems. The main problem is the heart of the story, while smaller problems challenge the protagonist and lead him towards facing the main problem. For the problem, we will have an antagonist. An antagonist can be a person, situation, or supernatural forces. Now that we have our theme, genre, protagonist, and antagonist, we can begin to structure our story. Most stories fall into the basic beginning, middle, and end. In the beginning, we'll introduce the world, characters, and problem. In the middle, we'll have rising tension, failure, and then growth for our protagonist. Then in the end, there will be a final confrontation with the main problem and answer to the thematic question. You can copy and paste this template from the link below and use it to build your own story. Once I've finished filling in this sheet, I create a new Google Doc and fill in between the story beats, keeping in mind that every scene should move the story forward. Alright, I'll end this one here. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.